So if you do the Jenga building, these would sit on top of each other, except on one side, you'd enter on this side. On the other side, when it's up above it, you'd enter on the other side. So when the building's built up, the people that sleep on this bottom part, right, you could go 6 feet up this way and put it out, 6 feet up, right? Or 7 feet, make like 6, 7 feet, and that's another platform for people to stand on that are in these cubes, right? But on this side, you put it up like you account for the fact, like, okay, since this one right here, they sleep like right on the ground, so to speak. Like on either side, you could just like, this one, it comes out at 6 feet. There's a level at 6 feet, but on this side, it's 3 feet above the ground or whatever, and 3 feet below ground or some shit. I don't know. It's just mathematically different.